Hello dear friends, I hope you're doing fine. In this episode we're going to analyze whether we can create slightly longer videos using these kinds of AIs. Actually not just a slightly longer video, a good one. Actually I've done a lot of research and this is the only video that can be called something that can be watched. The characters are nearly consistent, it's completely logical, and nothing ironic and unusual happens in it. It's a normal video. Now, let's watch it out first. It's from Afraid to Sleep channel, which is a great channel. It's got great videos. I want you to check it out after. And it's only been created by AI. I'm gonna, of course, talk about the tools and all that at the end of the episode. It was very cool. Let's see what it is. Well, the video you just watched was created through the combination of several AIs for editing, for the voice acting, for the text and many other things. And I can say approximately you need to have a specific amount of control over this to be able to create such a thing. So please don't believe because it was created by AI, it is an easy thing. No, such a video takes skills. It's a professional video and you need to become a pro to create such things. But of course, for creating, we can, let's say, create other videos easily. So let's see what it used. Runway. So I think when this video was created, Sora was not accessible. It was Luna was used. Let's see what Luma is. Luma, it creates videos. So you see it used different AIs for turning texts to videos. What else? It used Minimax. Let's see what it is. Minimax also is for creating videos from texts. You see how such a professional project it was. It used Midjourney that creates photos. It used Magnific. Let's see what it is. Image upscaler to upscale the photos. 11 Labs. Text to speech for the conversation and the voices. Comify also. Comfy UI, I'm sorry. Again, it's a video generator, live portrait, a video message generator, again for generating videos, yes. Stable diffusion for generating photos, and then ChatGPT. Well, as you already know, this project is absolutely difficult and it requires a lot of skills and a lot of AIs to generate this, right? And obviously it has consumed a lot of time, a couple of months probably. And at the end you see that it is possible. But there are a couple of things that I need to mention. Well, first thing is that, well, if you watch it for the first time, you see that you understand that it's been created by AI and it cannot be replaced with cinema, right? A real film. But for some projects you have to do, for example, for your university, for your school, or if you want to create something once you have nothing to do, or if you want to pursue this because of your passion, it is great because, well, it is not easy to have access to cinematic tools. So it's possible, but it is rather difficult and it necessitates you to be able to have proficiency over a lot of AIs, to be able to work with them and get results. But I want you to know that it is possible, but it takes time and energy. Well, that was about our long project. This is one of the best videos I ever got my hands on, and I wanted to share it with you. I hope this episode found you well. Have a very good day.